We've often heard of data storage software referred to as a vault. Yes, PDM's like a big safe, but I think that a product data management system is more like an industrial key cabinet. Everyone knows where to go to gain access to locked doors, storage units, or the forklift. This locked key cabinet is an access point for all the company's assets. Everything is labeled, and it's all very organized. Now, Humanscale has an opportunity to organize, centralize, and secure all of your data, your intellectual property. All departments will have access to CAD designs as well as Word docs, Excel reports, and more. Versions, revisions, and ECNs will automatically be tracked and safeguarded through digital sign-off, and it's all mobile enabled for smartphone and web access too. SOLIDWORKS PDM will help with all of these things. In the minutes to follow, my colleague Brian will demonstrate some specific PDM Pro functionality that will help Humanscale.
We've all been frustrated trying to find the latest save of a file, which you know is just, it's got to be around here somewhere. This is why we offer SOLIDWORKS Product Data Management, PDM. So let's assume you get the basics of PDM. Secure file vaulting, access control, revision history. The purpose of this short video is to illustrate the additional benefits of PDM Professional, so you can pinpoint why PDM Pro is the only way to go for you and for your team. With PDM Professional, you can define unlimited and more sophisticated engineering processes. For example, a design and then a change process. Better yet, if another team wants to use PDM, they will be able to craft their own business processes. For example, a new project proposal and approval. If engineering changes impact other CAD users, Professional also includes other CAD add-ins. For example, maybe another team is using Inventor or Pro Engineer. This is not a problem with our native integration. Speaking of extended staff, what teams do you work with that could benefit from simple access to your engineering data? PDM Professional goes beyond engineering, extending access to procurement, shipping, quality, management, project-related documents like budget spreadsheets, proposal documents. Everything that surrounds the design and new product development process is great to have accessible in the same place as all the CAD data. And with Microsoft Office add-ins, PDM is immediately accessible inside applications like Excel and Word, where, let's face it, most of our business work happens. With PDM Professional, we also offer add-ins for the extended SOLIDWORKS portfolio, such as inspection, electrical, and PCB. Now, engineering is a function rooted in processes, right? So how many of the steps in your day-to-day could be automated? For example, when a new project is kicked off, new folders and new files need to be created. What if there was a way to automatically generate consistent and schematic part numbers to populate every piece of data by default? Now, upon design release, a flurry of activity is necessary, much of which can be automated with PDM Professional, such as exporting DXFs of flat patterns and drawings, printing PDFs of drawings and office documents, and not just creating files, but storing them where everyone else knows and expects where to find them, and notifying everyone that new documents are ready. It's not that it's hard to create these deliverables, but there's always the risk that I forgot to make a PDF, or I put it in the wrong place, I named it the wrong thing. And as a design is revised, do I have to do that all over again? With PDM Pro, you can even automatically transfer product information to other business intelligence systems, such as ERP, PIM, and as you start automating with PDM out of the box, you'll naturally start asking what else you can do. And the good news is almost anything can be programmed through the API. Save time and get your valuable engineering resources back to what they do best, designing great products. Now, let's talk about your screen time. It seems every day I can do more and more from my phone, so what about mobile access to everything in PDM? Well, with the Web 2 client, users can access PDM vaults through a web browser. I could be a project manager needing to approve something on the road. Or I could be a fabricator in the shop needing to look up drawings or specs for a project. Maybe I'm a contractor that needs limited access to just my part of the project. Quite simply, Web 2 means flexible access, anytime and from anywhere. I hope that you heard some significant benefits in how PDM Professional could impact you and your team. PDM is sold, trained, and supported by the same partners you get your SOLIDWORKS from today. Implementing PDM Professional can drive your team's focus back to what's most important: designing tomorrow's great products today.
Thanks for watching. Together with TriMech, my team looks forward to our next meeting.